In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code events in Google Calendar. This feature helps you get organized and brings a splash of color to your calendar, making it easier to differentiate between different types of events at just a glance. Whether you want to color code individual events or entire calendars, I'll walk you through the steps to do just that. To start off, let's tackle how to color code individual events. First, open Google Calendar. Browse through your calendar and click on the event you want to customize. Once you've selected it, look for the pencil or edit icon, which allows you to access the event details. Within this section, you'll notice a color palette icon, which looks like a small circle. Click on this and you'll have the option to choose from about 11 preset colors. Once you've picked a color, go ahead and save your changes. And there you have it. Your selected event is now highlighted with its own distinct color, overriding the calendar's default. This is perfect for making certain events stand out or match a specific category you're using. Now, let's move on to color coding an entire calendar. On the left sidebar of Google Calendar, you'll see a section labeled My Calendars. Here, hover over the calendar you want to modify. You'll see three dots appear, also known as the Options or More icon. Click these dots to access the color settings for the calendar. You'll see a variety of colors to choose from, just like with individual events. However, there's also an option for a little more customization. You can select Plus Custom Color, which allows you to either choose from a gradient or enter a specific hex code, like number 4KF50, to get exactly the color you desire. Once you've settled on a color, all events from that calendar will automatically display in the selected color unless an event has been individually customized with a different color. This feature is especially useful if you manage multiple calendars for different purposes or projects. It provides a clear visual distinction that can help improve your efficiency and schedule management. With these simple steps, you can easily personalize your Google Calendar to better suit your style and organizational needs. Whether you're preparing for a series of meetings, planning a busy week, or managing different commitments, using color effectively can transform your calendar into a powerful visual tool. So go ahead, add some color to your calendar, and enjoy a more organized and vibrant scheduling experience.